Good morning, students. We are now in lesson 19 of Foundation of Shorthand. For lesson 19, there would be new phrases, and then the blends for the sounds of erd and eld, and the blend for the sound of ses. Okay, first we have the phrases. I hope. I hope the. That, I hope that. IP, that the. I hope that the. UEP, we hope. UEP, the, we hope the. UEP, that, we hope that. UEP, that the, we hope that the. And UE, hope you will. We hope you will. Okay. And then the middle word is sometimes eliminated in the following phrases to gain writing speeds. For example, some of the. As you can see, of was eliminated. Some of our. Some of them. Okay. Then for the erd words, so it is a combination of R and D. Now the symbol is like this. Okay. R plus D, erd. Okay, sample words. Erd, herd. Erd, hard. Erd, R, harder. Let's repeat the outline. Erd, R, harder. Erd, answered. Erd, ignored. Erd, assured. Erd, toward. Erd, prepared. Erd, tired. And then we have, sorry, Erd, word. Erd, record. Erd, dead, recorded. Okay. Now for the eld words, so combination of L and D. Okay. So longer ito. Example, O eld old, T-O eld told, S-O eld sold, B-E eld build, F-O-L-D-R folder, F-O-L-D dead folded, F-A-L-D failed, H-E-L-D held, Ch-I-L-D child, Ch-E-L-D-R-E-N children. Let's repeat the outline. Ch-E-L-D-R-E-N children, K-O-L-D cold. Okay. So this one, stored, no, is actually belong to RD words. So let's try. S-T-O-erd, stored. Okay. Now, we have the right S and then the left S. So the two forms of S are joined and they are called the ses blend. So in order to represent the sounds of ses as in senses, sis as in basis, and sus as in versus. Okay. Now for the right ses, it begins with the right S like this. Okay. Right S followed by the left S. So it is used in the following words. SERVE says services. ADVI says advices. FA says faces. SUSPKT suspect. SUSPEND suspend. KA says cases. So mostly, the right says is used if it is preceded by the sound of A or E na papunta sa kanan. So for example, ulitin natin itong services. SERVE says. Notice na itong part na 'to, yung E, 'pag sinusulat natin ay pakanan tayo. So kapag pakanan, yung curve niya ay pakanan, followed siya ng right says. Let's repeat. SER SERVE, ayan, pakanan yung E, and then says. Okay. Now, for the left says naman, ang symbol niya is, uh, yan. As in the symbol for S. That is the left says. Example. SPA says spaces. So notice na yung A na sinundan, ang curve niya ay pakaliwa. Kaya left says ang ginamit natin kasi sinusundan niya yung previous sound. Okay. Says, SEN says, senses. PRO says, process. PRO says, S, processes. SYS-TR, sister. INSYS-T, insist. System. VER says, versus. PROME says, promises. NE says, RE, necessary. ANL says, analysis. BA says, basis, basis. ASYS-T, assist. Assisted, assisted. LO says, losses. Capital MO says, Moses. And KRI says, crisis. So again, we have the left says, the right says, the eld words, erd words, and the hope phrases. That's it for lesson 9. See you in the next lesson.